Hey everyone! Welcome back to Renstone TV. If you're looking for some exciting activities to beat boredom at home, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to explore 30 fun things you can do when boredom strikes. So grab your snacks, hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already because we have tons of amazing content coming your way. Let's dive in. Number 1, Creative Corner. First up, let's get those creative juices flowing. Try your hand at drawing, painting, or crafting. You can also start a dye project to redecorate your room. Number 2, Culinary Adventure. Treat yourself to a culinary adventure. Experiment with new recipes, bake cookies, or make your favorite smoothie. Number 3, Movie Marathon. Movie lovers, rejoice. Have a movie marathon with your favorite films or explore new genres. Number 4, Indoor Picnic. Set up a cozy indoor picnic with your favorite snacks and games for a relaxing time. Number 5, Virtual Hangout. Connect with friends and family through a virtual hangout. Play online games, share stories, and have a good laugh. Number 6, Learn something new. Use your time wisely and learn something new. Take up an online course, learn a musical instrument, or practice a new language. Number 7, Puzzle Challenge. Challenge your mind with puzzles, crosswords, or brain teasers to keep your brain sharp. Number 8, Workout Session. Get active and stay fit. Try a home workout routine, yoga, or dance to your favorite tunes. Number 9, Gardening Fun. If you have a garden or even a small balcony, indulge in some gardening and grow your favorite plants. Number 10, Virtual Museum Tours. Explore the world from your couch by taking virtual tours of museums and landmarks. Number 11, Karaoke Time. Unleash your inner superstar with a karaoke session. Sing your heart out to your favorite songs. Number 12, Puzzle Challenge. Get competitive with board games or video games. Challenge family members or friends to join the fun. Number 13, Bookworm Vibes. Dive into a captivating book. You'll be amazed at how time flies when you're engrossed in a great story. Number 14, Home Spa Day. Pamper yourself with a relaxing home spa day. Treat yourself to a facial, a bubble bath, or a foot massage. Number 15, Virtual Travel. Embark on virtual travel adventures through travel vlogs and documentaries. Number 16, Journaling. Start journaling to express your thoughts, feelings, and dreams. Number 17, Photography Session. Discover the beauty around you through photography. Take photos of nature, pets, or everyday objects. Number 18, Magic of Music. Play some musical instruments or create your own beats on music apps. Number 19, Indoor Camping. Set up a mini indoor camping experience with blankets and fairy lights. Number 20, Science Experiments. Channel your inner scientist and try some cool science experiments with household items. Number 21, Online Shopping. Host, window shop, or treat yourself to some online retail therapy. Number 22, D-Skincare. Create your own DI skincare products using natural ingredients. Number 23, write a poem or story. Let your imagination run wild and write a poem or a short story. Number 24, Meditation and Relaxation. Host, practice meditation and mindfulness techniques to find inner peace. Number 25, Tidy and Organize. Declutter and organize your living space for a refreshing change. Number 26, Virtual Dance Party. Host a virtual dance party with friends and dance to your favorite tunes. Number 27, Memory Lane. Take a trip down memory lane by looking through old photos and videos. Number 28, Home Science Experiments. Have fun with simple home science experiments like creating a volcano eruption. Number 29, Plan Future Adventures. Plan future trips and adventures to keep your wanderlust alive. Number 30, Random Acts of Kindness. Spread positivity by performing random acts of kindness for others. And there you have it, 30 exciting things to do when boredom strikes at home. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more awesome content like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. thank you for watching, and until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and stay awesome. This is Renstone TV. See you soon!